Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be working on, I don't even know what to call it. We're going to call it our sticker book cover. I picked up this inexpensive photo album from Michael's. It was 99 cents and I'm going to convert it into a sticker book. To help me with that, I am going to be stealing one page from the Maggie Holmes Bloom paper pad, and I've kind of already have it picked out that this is the sheet that I'm going to be using. And my intent is to, once it's fully decorated and put to good use, I'm going to put my favorite sticker sheets and everyday sticker sheets in here, and then put it in my bag so that I am able to haul it around with me. Hold on, it's getting stuck in there, and carry it with me like that. So we're gonna probably get started. Not probably, we are gonna get started, and I am going to probably speed up the video just so that this doesn't end up being super long. And like I said, I'll share with you like at the end. I'm only doing the covers. I don't necessarily care to decorate every single page because all I'm gonna end up doing is sticking like a sticker sheet in there. So I'm okay for these to stay white as they are, but if you guys feel like you need to decorate every single one, then by all means. I'm only going to be doing the covers. So I am going to start out by cutting my paper, and like I said, speeding up this video or putting it on speed mode so that it won't be super long. And then at the end, typical of my videos, I'll show you the final result. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now that these are dry, I wanted to show you what they look like. This is going to be our front cover. I thought they came out super adorable. And this is going to be our back cover. So back cover, front cover, no decoration on the inside. That's okay by me. And let me make sure I have it facing the right way. It's a little snug, but that's okay. Perfect fits in there. And then let me slide this one in there. And look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Now, before I continue, as you guys saw, some of these, this was ephemera that I've already had. But this butterfly and this is actually where my stickers are, the freebies. Let me show you. I have the stickers here. Okay, so some of my stickers are old and I needed a better way to organize them. But I've recently got new stickers. You guys know I have a thing for stickers and I wanted to show you, but let me show you, talk about this lady because she is amazing. She's a young lady, not like, you know what I mean. Her company, it's called Ariel Lovely. I'm sorry, I totally like messed that up. But it's ariellovely.com and this is her freebies. I know I've talked about it before in a previous video. Every month she has downloadable sheets that are free, and I've been printing them out and just cutting them out as ephemera and putting them in my ephemera storage area. So I wanted to show you that this butterfly came from her, and this, the entire thing with the exception of this butterfly hidden back here, also came from her freebies for the month of April. And once again, the company is Ariel Lovely. If you guys can see, her name is Tiffany and she is amazing. She also has a YouTube channel called something. Oh God, I'm so horrible. Now I feel like a dork. I'll link her YouTube channel in the description in case you want to check her out. She does like amazing work. She is super talented. So I went ahead and put this together and this together with her freebie, but I have also ordered some of her stickers. These are stickers that she makes herself. This is just a little extra that she sent. And she included this with my order, so I don't want you guys to feel like you have to, like she's giving me extra stuff because I'm talking about her channel. I've paid for all of this myself. Nobody's sponsoring this channel, not that, and they don't have to. I'm just doing it because I think her stickers are like amazing. So here is from the same collection, as you can see. I think this one was called Dead Poets. And so I got the stickers for that. I got these little free ones that she included with the order. And then of course her business card, which is gorgeous. And then look at the other butterflies. I got 2 of these as well because I just love the yellow. I think it's perfect for spring. And then this one that has a lot of sentiments. So we're going to be adding these to my little notebook. But I also have some of the old ones that I've already had in my stack. I think I talked about it before in another video that I needed a better way to store my stickers. And this is what I came up with. Now remember, this is going to be my carry with me sticker book. So I'm not going to load it like with a bunch of crazy stuff. It's only like immediate stuff that I could use day to day. And before I get sidetracked, I'm putting these in here. Some of them are Like this one's from Studio Calico, just sheets. This is Kelly Perkley, the alphabets that I get on the monthly kits that I get through these companies. This one is just from somewhere, I don't remember where. And then this one was, I believe, also from Studio Calico or Kelly Perkley, one of those. And then this is my friend Susan sent that to me. And I think she sent these ones as well. And then I just have other ones that I've purchased myself. So these are the ones that I'm gonna put in here. And then I wanna show you the other company. Well, it's not really a company, it's an Etsy shop that I discovered. It is called Miyawashi. And I was honestly looking for greenery stickers, like just plants and leaves and things like that. And I found this one, but then I went a little crazy and I got these additional ones. Look how gorgeous those stickers are. And then I have this one. You can't see the back, but I have this one, this one. Look at these flowers right here. And then I have this one, the swans, and then these little cotton birds, and then these flowers right here. Now these stickers are a little bit different. They are the type they have the sheet in the back, and so you basically cut out your image and then you rub, well, you kind of grab like a popsicle stick or maybe your bone folder, and then you press the image into the paper that you want, and that's how the sticker adheres to your paper. So again, these companies, this video is not sponsored. I don't want you guys to think I've purchased all of this of my own, and they don't have to sponsor me. I would have talked about them anyways because I just think their stickers are so gorgeous. So I just wanted to share them in case you guys didn't know about them. ArielLovely.com and then Miyawashi. And like I said, I love her. I love Tiffany because she gives you freebies every month. And I like to just print them out and fussy cut them out, and that's my like little ephemera that I keep stored. I told you guys that there's like so many companies that give freebies. I know Simple Stories does. I've used them before, and so I just wanted to share them in case you guys didn't know. That's like printing out the freebies is like a good way to make your little ephemera grow. You know what I mean? So anyways, so stop with the blabber. And now I am just going to put all my sticker sheets in here and store them. I kept my alphabets, even though I have multiple colors, I kept my alphabets very simple, which is a teal color and a black, because those are like everyday colors. I feel that you could go with anything or you could use for anything. And yeah, they fit perfectly in here. I'm not sure if I want to just kind of, I don't know how to store them. So I'm just gonna grab and stick in there whatever I find. These are gorgeous. And then I think I have two of these, yeah, so I'm gonna keep these here together. I love butterflies. This one could go in there. These could go in here. And then I have this clear sheet, but I also have this other clear one that could go in there. Let's see. I think this one was meant for like a pocket book or like an agenda binder with, but it's okay. I'm just gonna throw them in here. And then these I'm going to obviously take out of the pockets because they're not gonna fit if I leave them like that. So just going to cut. But look how pretty is that greenery. Super gorgeous. Let's see, let me show you these. I guess I should have showed these from the beginning. Removing them off the plastic, but look at those. Gorgeous. So put it like that. And then this one, I don't think they just have numbers. So this one is number 36. And look at that. Really gorgeous, right? Let me see what number the other one was. This one's number 36. And this one, the blue one. So this is 36, this is 39. This is 32. The swans, they look like a dark black, like a black, but it's more like a dark blue. These, that was number, what number did I say, you guys? 32. And these are perfect to carry on your bag for your agenda. These are number 38. Look how gorgeous that is. Your planners, your bullet journal, number 54. Look, gorgeous. Oh, right here, that was number 54. This is number 65. Look, this is like a lavender color. And then finally, this one is number 75, which I think is one of my favorites. Look at that. Super gorgeous, right? So I got that. And then she also sent me a couple of freebie stickers that are just like her brand, and then a lot of kittens and agenda stuff. Agendas, paper clips that looks like washi tape, kitties, and then little sticky notes. So these I'm not gonna put in here because they're individualized, so I'm just gonna put them in away. But that is going to complete. I still have, look, room to grow. I think I have like 5 pages left, and this is my little sticky book that I get to carry around for my planner. How gorgeous is that? And you can alternate them, of course. And then now that it's done, super cute, then we could haul it in our bag. And as you can see, I have a thing for teal. Even though the inside of this bag doesn't really match my teal color, like I feel like the black and white does. So I'm just gonna stick it in there. And now I have my little stickers to carry with me. So again, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.